This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Shelly Schaefer. New tile roof being installed now. Roof assessment has been paid in full by seller. Beautiful 3-bedroom 3-bath townhome with hurricane impact windows in wonderful gated neighborhood. Water view with fountain. Home has hardwood floors throughout. Enclosed lanai with additional screened lanai provides plenty of room for relaxing. Eat-in kitchen has granite counters, stainless steel appliances and ceramic tile floor. Laundry room is upstairs with newer stackable washer and dryer. Spacious master bedroom holds king-size furniture and has a dream bathroom, garden tub and amazing walk-in shower with multiple water heads/jets. His and her vanities and separate closet for toilet. 2 additional bedrooms with ceiling fans and full-size bathroom complete upstairs layout. Attached 2-car garage with built-in cabinets for storage. Remote control storm smart screen on garage door allows for overhead door to be open providing security and ventilation. Family/pet friendly community has sidewalks, fitness center, trash/recycle, community room and community pool. Seller has maintained home and will provide home warranty for new buyer. Covers all appliances, air conditioner and hot water tank for 1 year from closing date. For more information, review the details below.